Hey, what's up guys? I'm here today with one more video. It's about latest Google model release. Google has recently released Gemma 4. It's a model designed to run on the devices we already have rather than needing a data center. It has frontier level capabilities and is a mobile first AI. Let's walk through the available features. Gemma 4 is natively multimodal, which means it can handle vision, audio, and video. Gemma 4 introduces a thinking reasoning mode similar to Gemini. It makes it significantly better at complex logic, math, and coding compared to Gemma 3. It has a massive context window. Even the small model, that those are E2B or E4B, support a 128K token context. For example, you can drop a 300-page PDF or your code base into the prompt and it will remember that, and it will also provide you the answers. Gemma 4 has agentic and coding capabilities. It has seen a massive jump in coding benchmarks, making it a top-tier assistant for the developers. It's truly open, as Google has released Gemma 4 with the Apache 2.0 license. I have a Lenovo Thinkpad laptop with 16 GB of RAM and Intel Core Ultra i5 processor. Importantly, I do not have a dedicated GPU. In such a case, I'll go for Gemma E2B or E4B models. Now, how will I download and install the Gemma E4B model? I'll be using LM Studio. For more information about downloading and using LM Studio, refer to my previous video. Now, let's open LM Studio. It will take some time to load. Once LM Studio opens, go for model search and type Gemma 4 E4B. From the results, choose the one with LM Studio community. Now, on the right hand side, you will see the download button. You will be selecting Q4_K_M option model. The size of that is 6.33 GB. Select it and start download. I will now fast forward the video. The download is finished. Let's open a new chat for asking a question. As Gemma 4 supports multimodal input, I'm going to attach two images and I'm going to ask the model to summarize the information present in those two images. Let's browse the images. LM Studio provides a very good user interface to ask questions as if we are speaking with a chatbot. Now, as I ask the question and also attach two images, let the chatbot review the images and then the chatbot will provide us the details. That's it, friends. Hope you enjoyed the video. Do like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.